National symbols of Pakistan. National leader of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. National poet of Pakistan, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. National game of Pakistan, hockey. National flower of Pakistan, jasmine. National language of Pakistan, Urdu. National animal of Pakistan, Markhor. National TV of Pakistan, Pakistan Television, PTV. National Library of Pakistan, National Library of Pakistan. National fruit of Pakistan, mango. National bird of Pakistan, chakar. National dress of Pakistan, shalwar kameez. National river of Pakistan, River Indus. National colors of Pakistan, green and white. National mountain of Pakistan, K2. National Day of Pakistan, the 23rd of March.